think you won't let the word is just a thing you pay. But I know everyone is free creature, has a life, has spirit, has a being. I think the only people who are people looking like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you never things you never knew you never knew. Have you ever wondered why to do climb the moon, or as the green doesn't cap why you green? Can you see below the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the green? You can paint with all the colors of the green. Come down the hidden kindness of the forest, and taste the sunset glories of the eyes. Come rolling all the riches around here, and for once you'll wonder what they were. The race down in the river on the brothers, the Huron and the Otter on the friends, and we were all connected to each other in a circle, in a group that never ends. Have you ever learned to cry to the moon on good, or let me go down you and kiss me? Can you see all the races of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the green? Can you paint with all the colors of the rain? How high the distance see the river, you can get a smell. You never know. And you cannot be apart to the good from good, forever in life and on the street. You can sing with all the voices of the mountain, and to be with all the colors of the green. You can only let it stay, or you always are empty.